Hey guys, welcome to this short video about how to propagate your zonal and ivy geraniums. Our first step is going to be to find a healthy stem and carefully cut it off the main plant. I personally love geraniums for their beautiful flowers and that they're really easy to care for, and some of them can actually bloom all year round depending on your weather conditions. The reason for taking geranium cuttings could be anywhere from that you have a lot of flowering pots to fill, or you simply want to reproduce your plant. Or perhaps you have your geraniums growing outside and you live in a region where you experience common frost during winter, and if you leave your geraniums outside for a prolonged period of time, they will definitely die. But if you have prepared for winter by taking some cuttings and keeping them planted in your containers inside your home, you can rest assured your geraniums will see the upcoming spring. The following step is to snip off the lower leaves to prevent our cutting losing moisture through them. Since they haven't developed the root system, watering them is extra important. We must help them retain every little bit of moisture. Watering and spraying your cuttings helps them significantly. Make sure that the soil is damp but not very wet all the time. Our next step is going to be to put our cuttings in cups of water or simply plant them in soil. It really depends on how you want to go about it. Both ways are guaranteed to be successful. Just make sure that they get plenty of direct sunlight. These little cuttings have developed roots within about a month and they're ready to be repotted. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.